If you want a better life, focus on the good and see what happens. See if you can actually see more good in your life than you can see right here and right there today. Tomorrow you have more good to focus on. The day after, more good. And after a week, after 2 weeks, after a month, after a few months, not only you'll see all the good in your life, but more good will happen in your life. So you'll have more to be grateful for. And that's a virtuous cycle. The same goes for being a complaining person. The more you complain about, the more you'll have to complain about. So choose wisely. Not complain, choose gratitude. Imagine a life where you don't need to be bored, you don't need to have a routine that is actually annoying, that you just go through the motions. You don't need to have a life that's ordinary and unenjoyable. You can have a life where every moment is joyful. You can have a skip in your step. You can actually have a bounce in your life. You can actually enjoy each and every moment because each and every moment is filled with what? With gratitude. Accept everything with gratitude, even the bad things. Now, it does not mean that you are happy. Oh, I'm so happy someone died. I'm so happy this bad thing, this failure occurred in my life. No, it means that you understand that this is part of life. And by being grateful for it, you can see that it might be a stepping stone for something better. Maybe more money, maybe more health, maybe more wisdom, maybe more presence in the moment. All of the bad stuff that occurs in our life can be turned into something amazing. And that's why we need to start with gratitude in order to see the good in everything, no matter how hard it might be at first. Gratitude and complaining do not go hand in hand. If you are someone who complains a lot, start being grateful. You will see that the more you are grateful for, the more and more you will start being grateful for things in your life. And the more and more you have things that you are grateful for in your life, the less you'll see that you need to complain about until you are completely trained in being grateful and the complaining is just a thing of the past. You can try it out right here and now. If you right now are feeling lackful, if you are complaining about something, if you are annoyed at something in life, switch it up. Start being grateful. Instead of seeing the problem you have right here and now, start seeing the good you have in your life. Truly commit, even for 10 minutes, and you will see that your attitude towards this moment right here today will change completely. But that's where you need to put effort. Gratitude does not work by reading quotes and watching this kind of videos. It works by implementing it in your life slowly but surely through discipline and consistency. And it's all worth it.